Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, it's a chilly start to the day, but we are beginning with blue skies here in North Scituate. The sun now up in East Providence, and we're looking good here this morning. Just cold and dry while our sun came up at around 7 o'clock this morning. Those sunrise times will continue to get later, but today actually marks our earliest sunset of the year, happening at 4:14 and 45 seconds. That's a second earlier than yesterday. We have about 9 hours and 14 minutes of daylight today. That keeps going down until we hit the winter solstice on December 21st, when we have 9 hours and 8 minutes of daylight, but notice the sunset gets a little later. By the end of the month, we'll see our sun setting almost 11 minutes later than what will happen today. So I always like hitting that milestone, then starting to climb back up with those sunset times. Kids, it makes a big difference to be able to keep them outside a little longer before the sun goes down, right? Looking at our threat tracker for today, Tuesday and Wednesday, we are in the green. The temperatures dropping down overnight into the lower and middle 20s inland and upper 20s at the coastline. We're pretty close to those numbers still right now. So 27 in Providence, 24 in Taunton, and 28 New Bedford. Winter coat, hat and gloves kind of morning for us. Feeling very much like December. In fact, the temperatures today are a little cooler than normal. Winds are on the light side though, staying below 10 miles per hour, and we're going to see dry skies. Live Doppler radar confirming that. No rain or snow in the forecast for today. Mostly sunny skies this morning. By 10 a.m. we're in the lower 30s, and by lunchtime should be in the middle and upper 30s, and our high for the day around 39-40 degrees this afternoon. We're back to about 36 by 4 o'clock, and 6 o'clock this evening down to 33. Now we will see a little mid and high cloud cover stream in this afternoon, but still able to get a fair amount of sunshine through those clouds. For the overnight hours, partly cloudy, a little breezy, dry skies for most, down to 24 degrees. I did have to throw that most in. I'll show you where we could see a little bit of light rain or snow showers tomorrow morning. Here's our area of low pressure that brought all the stormy weather over the weekend, Saturday and Saturday night. That's still moving away. And then the next storm system that we've been keeping an eye on is off the Carolina coastline, and that's going to be too far south to give us any major trouble, but it will help to steer our winds to more of a north and northeasterly direction, and that's actually going to bring in some ocean clouds and potentially develop a few rain or snow showers on the Cape. This is at noon today. Partly to mostly sunny skies. Overnight tonight, the clouds will thicken up for a time, and notice as those winds are out of the north and northeast, we get a little bit of that precipitation that tries to pop up early tomorrow on the Cape, where the temperatures will be mostly in the 30s. Light activity for those that do see some rain or snow falling. 2 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow, it's all dry. The skies are clearing out, and we'll finish out the day with more sunshine. Here's the 7-day forecast. Locally, we don't have any major rainfall ahead. In fact, even over the weekend, a frontal system looks to come through. That's not a major storm, but it could bring some rainfall for second half of the day on Saturday and the first half of the day on Sunday. So we'll work on the timing of that as more data comes in this week, sort of fine tune that part of the forecast, but just a heads up that we could see some wet weather over the weekend. By that point, the temperatures are back in the 50s.